In this video, I'll show you how to run a cron job using the sudo command on Ubuntu. First, let's understand what a cron job is. A cron job is a scheduled task that runs automatically at a specific time or interval. It's useful when you want to automate things like running scripts or backing up files. Now, let's say you have a task that needs administrator permissions. In that case, you need to use the sudo command. To begin, open your terminal. Type this command, sudo crontab, ee. This opens the root user's crontab file. Crontab is short for cron table. It's where you list your scheduled tasks. If this is your first time using the crontab command, it might ask you to choose an editor. You can just press the number for Nano and hit enter. Now you're inside the crontab file. Each line here is one cron job. Let's add an example. Suppose you want to run a script every day at 2 a.m. Add this line, 02 ****/ path / your /script .sh. Make sure to replace /path / to /your /script .sh with the actual path to your script. Save the file and exit. If you're using Nano, press Ctrl and O to save, then Ctrl and X to exit. That's it. The task will now run as root every day at 2 a.m. You can check if it's added by typing sudo crontab, LL. This will list all the cron jobs for the root user. Now you know how to run a cron job using the sudo command on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.